What's up, y'all? I've got another unboxing for you today. We just got the new Kraken blade shape, the Weehawk blade shape from Squid. This is just one of my older Bowies, but in the box, and here is the new Weehawk Kraken. So I'm pretty excited to see it. I got mine teal and asked Lucas to do speed channels on it, so it'll also be my first speed channel Kraken. So that's pretty exciting. Really interested to see like how the weight change will be, because with the Weehawk blade there's a lot less weight in the tip, and with the speed channels, you know, there's gonna be less weight in the handles, and the bulk of the weight will be distributed towards the ends of the handles. So we're just gonna open this up real quick. Everything in the box. So yeah, here's the box. And we slide it out, get that nice felt pouch. We'll open that in a second. Got a little QR code for a tuning tutorial. And then a little hardware bag, I'm guessing. 2 extra washers. And then extra pivot hardware. So that's always good to have. We're going to take a look at the actual knife now. So here it is. That beautiful teal color. It looks a lot more like vibrant in person than it does on the camera screen, but there's that blade. Looking pretty nice. And yeah, like I said, I got the speed channels, so there's them. Kind of gives it a little bit of a dual tone look because of that silver peeking through there, so I really like that. Right off the bat, it flips pretty similar to like any other Kraken. Here, let me go get one of my newer Krakens. I don't know what it is with the newer Krakens, but for some reason, like, they just feel like the handles are thicker, but it feels really nice. I really like the balance of it. But yeah, you can definitely tell that like the tip weight isn't there as much. This probably has like the biggest difference. Like, I would say the Tanto and the Bowie Krakens are very, very similar. This one's probably more different than those two are. I also like the sound of it. Since it's speed channeled, it gives it that nice little ring. Yeah, I'll give a little bit of a sound test real quick so you can hear that. So yeah, sounds pretty nice. I don't really have a ton to say about the knife at the moment, but it looks real nice. Feels pretty sharp. Definitely very pointy. Probably pointier than the Tanto or the Bowie, but that's alright. That's how we like them. I'm also glad to finally have a Kraken that has the wider jimping down here, because that is a very nice addition. So yeah, that's the new knife. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll probably have some flipping videos out with it soon. Maybe a more detailed video about my thoughts on it. Peace.